Wi-Fi, also known as IEEE 802.11, might just be humanity's greatest invention. Don't quote me on that. But seriously, it's wild. We've gone from bulky cables and dial-up modems to an invisible network that just works. How is it possible that, with one tap, you can doom scroll TikTok for hours? Well, the truth is, it's actually kind of complicated. Wi-Fi works using radio waves. Think of them like light waves, but invisible and way longer. And because of their length, they can pass through walls with ease. That's what makes them perfect for wireless connections. So, how does this invisible light let you play Fortnite all day? When you turn on Wi-Fi, your phone starts scanning for nearby networks. The list you see? Those are SSIDs, a fancy term for network names. You spot a network called hotbunny_39 and tap connect. Simple, right? Wrong. When you connect, your router assigns your phone an IP address, kind of like a digital name tag. This tells the router where to send and receive your data, especially important if multiple devices are connected. Now you're online. Let's say you tap on this YouTube video. Your phone sends a request to play it. That request is broken into small pieces called data packets, which are basically strings of binary, just ones and zeros. To send them, your phone modulates radio waves, changing their length and squiggliness, and fires them off to the router using a frequency band, usually 2.4 gigahertz. This band is split into smaller channels, so your bro's Wi-Fi next door doesn't mess with yours. But here's the catch. Only one device can use a channel at a time. Everyone else has to wait their turn. Your router grabs those packets and forwards them to your internet service provider, maybe Comcast, maybe MTN, who then reaches out to YouTube's servers. YouTube gets the request, finds the video, and sends it back. In binary packets, of course. Your ISP sends those packets to your router. The router beams them back to your phone. And your phone pieces everything together like digital Lego bricks, reassembling the video. All of this happens in milliseconds. Yeah, that's how you're watching this video right now. I don't really have an outro, except, hey, maybe subscribe?